Everyone, and welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe is this lovely healthy balls recipe which is like chocolate truffles, but everything in it is so very healthy that you don't feel guilty about indulging in one, two, three, or how many ever you want, because it's packed with really healthy ingredients which are full of nutrients and will give you all the energy for the day, as well as really satisfy your hunger for something which is sweet and delicious. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So guys, wasn't that a real good recipe? Something which you can really put together for your kids, for yourself, for your family members, or for even friends. Something which is healthy and full of deliciousness. So if you like today's recipe, you know what you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell on all, that way whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Thank you so much for supporting Akshita's Recipes by watching my videos. Please do leave your comments and do share my videos with family and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. Till we meet again, this is Akshita signing.